A really beautiful 2015 Porsche Boxster GTS in Racing Yellow that this client just picked up very recently. It was a one-owner car and obviously very well taken care of. But despite the fact that the first owner took good care of the car, when this owner got a hold of it and then was seeking out a proper shop to do the work for him, when he came to me, I pointed out to him that despite the care that was taken to maintain this car, there was still a need for proper and definite paint correction. So we discussed what needed to be done, or what the owner wanted to get done. And of course, everything starts with a proper paint correction. So we did that. Then did XPEL Ultimate PPF on the entire front end, and as well as the rocker panels, even though at this point, of course, the rocker panels already had taken a little bit of a beating. But because the panels are so low, once the car is on the ground, you're not going to really see it. But if you get up real close, you see very small paint nips, but that was left alone. It was corrected, and then PPF on top of the rockers, and like I said, the entire front end. Headlights and side markers were removed. As I always try to point out, everything is completely tucked away. You can't see or feel the film anywhere. Go all around the edges. Some parts, of course, the film ends right on the edge, but very hard to see. The emblem, of course, as well gets removed. Solid piece of film goes on there. And as you can tell, it's hard for anybody to be able to distinguish between where there's film on the car and where there's just paint. Because if we go from the fender with film to the door without, you can't tell the difference. And of course, after the PPF, I forgot to say that the car was ceramic coated as well. So ceramic coating, no wheels and calipers, because this will be a weekend driver. So I told the owner, if you stay on top of it and you only drive it once a week or once every 2 weeks, it shouldn't be that hard to stay on top of maintaining the wheels and calipers. So he saved money there and put the money instead in PPFing the rocker panels. Interior also in very good condition. We did a cleaning. It's surprisingly dirty, in a sense of not something that was obvious when you first looked at it, but once I started cleaning it, there was quite a bit of dirt coming off. But overall, for a 10-year-old car especially, not in bad condition at all. Ceramic coating on the top as well. Top in very good condition. There's some issues, for instance here. This is something that would have to be replaced eventually if it gets to bother the owner, but for now it's not something that's super bad. And like I said, ceramic coating on the top as well. So now it's all done. He's gonna come pick it up soon, and the car's ready to be enjoyed. Like I said, it's gonna be a weekend driver. And for a 10-year-old car especially, it's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Very, very well maintained, and now also properly protected.